Mummy, what surprise have we got tonight? Hey?
Dad didn't cook it much today.
What do you mean you didn't cook much? Huh?
I just cooked 3 dishes.
Well, you've been busy, you've been shopping today. There's plenty for us all. Plenty. Always enough food in this house.
这条三文鱼是我老公买的，15磅钱。Salmon head.
Salmon head soup. Oh, God's going to taste beautiful. Looking forward to that. The chef's been busy again.
This chicken that for you yesterday.
Absolutely delicious, mate. I mean,
Some cook though.
Yeah, some salmon have but some not. Sorry. You.
we seaweed.
What's it got a coke?
What's the spinach in there?
Apple some. I reached you.
What was that?
It's a little bit good there.
It is an old man, man. Well, you've got to be careful.
Oh, that's lovely. That was delicious. A distinctive fish taste. Lovely, meimei. Beautiful.
You two don't want the soup? 不喝汤。
No, it's lovely.
I'll try some after this.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
lovely. It really
You don't want the soup?
Oh, maybe later. I'm just enjoying this salad.
Ah.
Lovely.
beautiful.
That's delicious.
Well, your soup's very nice, Mama. You make a lovely soup, you know. Beautiful soup. All different bloody flavours. It's just a job on a real miserable day we've got here. Some lovely warming soup. Very nice.
They special for UK weather.
Then you'll have to do some every day.
Let's maybe try a little bit.
friend，三文鱼好不好吃？是。你好饿。
Well done.
Best restaurant there is. Best restaurant I know, mate. We've got a very good eating place in the village, but not as good as this. No.
You know that pub's very busy. You have to book.
Oh no, it is. Oh, you have to book in this restaurant here as well. No, you can't beat home cooked food. We've got a very good chef.
We've got the salmon, right?
Well,
Oh, yes. So I can boil it. Whole salmon.
very nice salmon. How about that? Right? What do you think of that?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go down there and get one in one side. Yeah.
Very tasty. Look,
Yeah.
what is it, Mama?
Is it like a pickled vegetable?
Oh.
Chinese pickled
It's
vegetable.
very nice, but
Yeah.
A bit like that.
Yeah. You like this pickled vegetable?
Yeah.